Hi guys, good day to everyone who's watching in this video. We're so happy na sinundo kami ni BFF ko na si Bernadette Alconten and si Puloy. So we can able to go here to visit Padre Pio, which is nearby lang po siya sa house namin. And then here guys, this is really our first time to be here and we were so surprised na meron pala ganitong church nearby lang sa balay. And then napaka-solemn po talaga at napaka-private din ng place. Alright? So yan po si Padre Pio. Padre Pio is known as siya po yung santo na healer, okay? Siya po yung healer saint. So, pumunta po dito talaga yung may sakit, ganyan. At saka, meron po talagang nangyayaring himala dito sa church na to, guys. And then, na-surprise din po ako na dito din yung si Pope John Paul II. Napaka-solemn talaga. It's a very little church lang talaga siya, no? It's a very small church, but you can really feel its holiness talaga, guys. And napaka-solemn po talaga ng church na to. So as you can see, malapit po siya sa mountain kasi guys. So papunta po siya sa Eden, yung Eden Mountain Resort here. So yeah, this is really our first time here. And then I'm really surprised talaga guys. And yan, si Victoria is into prayer po talaga yan si Victoria. So, she really enjoyed being here. And siguro, we will be coming back here again. So, ayan. Yan po ang prayer ni Padre Pio po guys because he's healer po siya. And then ito po yung altar ng Padre Pio Church lang po. As you can see, maliit lang po talaga siya na church, malinis. And then hindi mo akalain talaga na mayroong ganito dito. Kasi yung mga house dito is mostly na mga kapilya, is mostly mga maliliit lang na church. But this one is very good. Kahit maliit lang siya pero super linis talaga. Super look after talaga siya sa mga caretaker dito guys. And then dinadayo talaga itong church na to kasi Padre Pio po talaga siya. Okay, so ayan, napaka-solemn po. And then when you come to visit here, so you can write all your intention and your prayer request also to a piece of paper. And if you would like to donate something, you also can. And yan po, which is kung ano pong ginagawa namin, ginagaya po ni Victoria. So she's also doing her own wishes or intention. Then she write it down and then hinulog din niya doon sa mga prayer request na balota dyan. Okay guys, so I really just wish that whatever she's wishing in this church here na magiging totoo. Ayan, diba? So Victoria is my youngest and she's my only daughter. And she's only 7 years old guys. And so we're very thankful talaga na sinundo kami ng BFF ko. So at the same time, the same day, so we were able to we went to visit as well to San Vicente Ferrer, which is about like a 30 minutes drive from home. No, it's not really 30 minutes, but I think it's lesser, but it's another kind of mountain guys. Don't forget to subscribe.